Bubbly, bubbly, let's sing and play.
Stars just of water, a laugh so bright. A baby elephant joins in delight. Under the waterfall, cool and free, they dance and play in pure glee. Up in the sky, on a dragon so grand, flying high over a magical land. Clouds turn pink as they glide so free. Dreams take flight, just wait and see. A monkey jumps so quick and sly, grabs a banana and winks its eye. The boy just laughs, you tricky friend. Dreams take flight, just wait and see. A monkey jumps so quick and sly, grabs a banana and winks its eye. The boy just laughs, you tricky friend. A day of fun that'll never end. Books that float and whispers low, a wise old owl begins to show. Pages glow with stories untold, magic and wisdom bright as gold. Up they go, so high so far, past the rooftops, past the stars. Fireworks sparkle, the city glows. Adventure calls where the soft wind blows. A panda rolls, round and sweet, chewing bamboo, what a treat. The boy just giggles, soft and light, in the forest calm and bright. Lights that shimmer, streets that glow, a tiny alien says hello. The boy smiles, shakes its hand, a friendship formed in a neon land. Snowflakes dance, the world so white, a snowman winks with eyes so bright. Together they twirl in icy cheer, a winter dream to hold so dear. The golden